A very good morning to all of you from Zana. But this video is not about Zana. We thank you for all the immense love and the faith and the trust that you guys showed us in all our products that we brought out from the house of Zana. But now, we feel that Zana has to move up the ladder. The CC, the BHP, the torque. As you guys grow on your motorcycling journey, we also would like to grow with you and take you towards your next upgrade, hand in hand with our new brand called Z Pro or Z Pro, as you guys would like to say it. Now, what is Z Pro? Z Pro is a higher division of Zana, catering to 650cc plus motorcycles. Comes with very tasteful accessories on similar lines what we do at Zana. But the good thing is they are using higher up materials, come with a lifelong anti-rust guarantee, come with a lightweight structure, with a heavy duty load bearing, some nicer materials, better finishing and better quality, of course. Why would you say there was this need to take you up to the Z Pro level? What we had been getting from our market feedback was a simple one thing. When it comes to bikes which are less in numbers, the accessories available are lesser still. Majorly being imported from foreign countries, they're generally on pre-order, and if you get them, they come at an eye-watering price. Little items like frame sliders, luggage racks, radiator guards, which can be easily made in India, are still being imported via the route of distributors, dealers, retailers, and so on. What happens in that case? The price goes up, obviously. The logic is simple. The company sitting down in a fancy European or an American country will ship it to you, add to it shipping. Then the person who imports it takes the cut. The person who distributes it takes a cut. The person who deals with it takes a cut. The person who sells it to you takes a cut. Imagine how high the price goes up when finally the thing lands in your hands. At Z Pro, our target is to provide similar quality, good aesthetics, Indian functionality. Now, why I say Indian functionality? Because with our experience with Zana, we have come to know a certain flashpoints when it comes to Indian road conditions. How the Indian rider rides, where he takes the motorcycle, Indian road conditions, what happens to accessories under excessive loads, under bad roads. All this experience with Zana has enabled us to bring you Z Pro. The first thing that is guaranteed with Z Pro is all the parts are 100% rust proof guaranteed. The second, they're beautiful, sleek, and much superior to what the market has to offer. They come with a lifetime guarantee against any non-accidental damage. Now, what that means is, as long as you stay within your stipulated load limits, your road limits, all Z Pro parts will come with a factory warranty for a lifetime. That means all the welds, all the frames are covered. Use them the way we tell you, and we'll take guarantee for them for life. Now, this is the first motorcycle that we present under the Z Pro range. The very popular Ducati Scrambler desert sled, a very popular tourer, a very popular trailblazer. This motorcycle has some very essential accessories that you guys would be buying from other manufacturers at a much higher price. I'll just start with the front section of the motorcycle, a very critical part called the axle protector, as shown here. The polymer used is the same as being used by other manufacturers, the ones you get from the foreign countries. It's connected by an axle inside it and really stresses out when you drop the motorcycle. Now it protects your disc, the disc brake and the forks in case of a fall. Further up towards the back are these oil cooler guards made of 100% aluminium, like any mainstream manufacturer. It comes with a hexagonal pattern that not only helps channelize and circulate air around the oil cooler, but also prevents any debris from damaging the oil cooler. Further up, there's another part called the condenser protector, made of aluminium again. Further up, mounted closely behind the front mudguard. Now towards the center of the motorcycle, we have the frame sliders. Something very sleek and very popular. Somebody who wants a very sleek look for the Ducati Scrambler. Now these units can be fitted onto any Scrambler range motorcycle. For the Indian conditions, we have modified them a bit and brought them out further. Further down, if you see, we have the side stand extender boot, made of 100% aluminium and stainless steel. Now this unit basically prevents an accidental tip over. What if you guys were trailblazing on soft sand and engaged the side stand, but the side stand being a little narrow just sinks in? The bike has a very high chance of tipping over. Now this little boot here prevents just that. Towards the back is something that not many Scrambler owners get in India. A very sleek and a very sturdy luggage rack made of stainless steel tubes and an aluminium plate here. You can use it to mount a really small box, say up to 32 liters, in plastic of course. And you can also use it to mount a luggage bag. With the seat of the Ducati Scrambler, as it is, it's not that big. I'll just show you. If you mount a bag axially like that, you'll not only sacrifice luggage space for your pillion, but there's hardly any space. So with this rack, it can act as an extension of the seat and you can push the bag further up, thereby relieving more space for you, the rider in the front. And in case you have a pillion, you can mount another bag or box at the back and your pillion can go very comfortably. Towards the rear end of the motorcycle, we have these paddock spools made in stainless steel. The idea is pretty simple. On a bike like the Sled, you can't really mount a center stand. If you really have to service it, you'll have to use a paddock stand right on the swing arm, which is not a very good idea. So just mount these two units. They come with a base made of polymer, and the base basically protects your hub and the hub nut from any damage. At Z Pro, we take care of such small and minor details so that your Ducati Desert Sled runs problem-free. Now, further up, we have a new sump guard coming for the Sled and a new crash cage. A crash cage for somebody who really uses the Sled off-road. There will be a number of falls, and the crash cage will cover the entire engine area as shown tentatively and will be up very soon. We hope and really hope that you guys love Z Pro as much as you have always loved our products from Zana. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.